When it comes to enhancing the exterior beauty of your home, few upgrades make as striking an impact as bow windows. In Coppell neighborhoods, where well-maintained homes and inviting designs stand out, bow windows offer a unique combination of elegance, light, and architectural charm that can significantly boost curb appeal. Bow windows are designed with 4 or more panels that extend outward in a gentle curve, creating a rounded appearance from the outside. This design sets them apart from other window styles and immediately adds dimension and visual interest to your home's facade. Instead of a flat exterior wall, bow windows introduce depth and softness, making your home look more refined and distinctive. One of the biggest ways bow windows enhance curb appeal is through their graceful, panoramic design. The curved structure draws the eye and creates a focal point that elevates the overall look of your home. In Coppell, where homeowners often take pride in their property's appearance, this added architectural detail can make your home stand out in the best possible way. Natural light is another major advantage. With multiple glass panels, bow windows allow sunlight to enter from different angles, brightening your home's interior while also creating a warm, welcoming glow from the outside. A home that appears bright and open naturally feels more inviting, which is a key element of strong curb appeal. Customization plays an important role as well. Bow windows can be tailored to match your home's style, whether it leans traditional, modern, or somewhere in between. You can choose from various frame colors, finishes, and grille patterns to complement your exterior design. In Coppell neighborhoods, where homes often feature unique combinations of brick, siding, and trim, this flexibility ensures your windows blend seamlessly with the overall aesthetic. Beyond their visual appeal, bow windows also add a sense of space. The outward extension creates additional interior room, which can be used as a cozy seating area, a decorative display space, or even a small reading nook. While this benefit is enjoyed inside, it also contributes to the exterior by giving your home a more expansive and thoughtfully designed look. Another factor that enhances curb appeal is the sense of care and quality that bow windows convey. Upgrading to this style signals that your home is well maintained and thoughtfully updated. Old or outdated windows can detract from your home's appearance, but bow windows instantly refresh and modernize the exterior without losing timeless charm. Energy efficiency is another important consideration for homeowners. Modern bow windows are designed with advanced materials and insulation features that help regulate indoor temperatures. This not only improves comfort but also helps maintain the condition of your home's exterior over time. A home that looks well kept year-round contributes to a stronger overall impression in the neighborhood. Bow windows also offer excellent versatility in placement. They work beautifully in living rooms, front-facing areas, or any space where you want to make a visual statement. When positioned at the front of your home, they naturally draw attention and enhance the overall symmetry and balance of the exterior design. Maintenance is easier than many homeowners expect. With durable materials and high-quality finishes, modern bow windows are built to withstand the elements while retaining their appearance. Regular cleaning is usually all that's needed to keep them looking their best, ensuring your home continues to shine from the outside. Ultimately, bow windows are more than just a design feature, they're an investment in your home's appearance and value. They create a lasting impression, enhance natural light, and add a level of sophistication that elevates your entire property. For homeowners in Coppell looking to boost curb appeal in a meaningful and lasting way, bow windows offer a perfect blend of style, function, and elegance. With the right design and professional installation, they can transform your home into a standout in any neighborhood.